I have a high ticket dropshipping store with exactly 5 products on it. Last month it made $1,500 and I spent maybe 3 hours total on it. I'm literally not even trying. And that's the entire point. If I can make $1,500 a month giving zero effort, imagine what happens when somebody actually tries. And here's what's crazy. This isn't luck. This is a proven model. Many of our students are hitting $10,000, $20,000 months in profit. We're partners in multiple businesses doing multiple 7 figures in revenue using this exact same approach. But today, in this video, I want to talk to you about the lazy version. The I don't have time for another project, but I want extra money version. Because let's be real, $1,000 is $1,000. All right, let me tell you why nobody does this, even though it's stupidly simple. People are fucking lazy. That's it. That's the real reason. Everyone wants to make money online, but no one wants to do the actual work. They'd rather scroll TikTok for 3 hours than spend 3 hours setting up something that could pay their rent or their car payment or their student loans. Here's how simple this specific website is that I'm super lazy about. It's got 5 air purifiers that range from $800 to $1,000 each. I did some basic SEO and some retargeting ads. That's it. And the SEO isn't even hard. There's 3 steps. Number 1, fix your technical SEO. We show you exactly how to do this inside of Dropship Breakthru. Get the right keywords on the right pages, especially collection pages. Google loves e-commerce right now. And 3, write some blog posts to support these pages. Use AI to help you speed this up. Then set up basic retargeting. Dynamic product ads on Facebook that chase people around with the product they just looked at. Same thing on Google. Set it once, let it run. And that's literally it for this site. 12 orders a month at these prices, and you've got $1,500 extra dollars. But here's the thing. Most people won't even do this much. They'll watch this video, think, yeah, that makes sense. Then go back to complaining about being broke while binge watching whatever's trending on Netflix. The difference between people making money and the people who aren't, the people making money actually did something, even if they did it half-assed. You want to know what happens when you actually try? When you have 50 or 100 products on your site instead of 5? When you write content consistently instead of whenever you remember? When you run actual Google ads like we teach in our course? Some of our students are hitting $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month profit. Same model, just with actual effort. But even if you're lazy, even if you do the absolute minimum like me with this store, $1,000 is $1,000. Think about it. That's $12,000 a year from something that takes 3 hours a month. Your job probably has you working 160 hours a month. This is 3. Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Business is simple. People are lazy. They want a magic button, the secret hack, the thing no one else knows about. But the secret is there is no secret. Pick the right person to serve, find the products they already want to buy, and put those products in front of them. Take a margin. Repeat. The reason I only have 5 products on this site, because I'm part of businesses doing 7 figures, approaching 8 figures, and this is just my little test site, one we use in the course to show examples. I don't try. I'm just testing some random shit and I'm still making money not trying. But if you're sitting there with 0 online income, if you're trading 40 hours a week for a paycheck that barely covers your bills, why wouldn't you try this? 6 months from now, you could have an extra grand or 2 coming in every month, or you could have watched another 180 hours of Netflix. Here's what you actually need to do. Number 1, pick the person you want to serve. Someone with a passion they're already spending money on. Gym owners who need equipment, golfers trying to shave strokes. Find people who are already spending money pursuing their passion or growing their business. Second, find products they're already searching for. Real brands with real products that are $1,000 minimum. Don't create demand, fulfill existing demand. You're going to be selling brands people have definitely heard of and they're already searching for online. You don't have to recreate the wheel here. And you sure as hell don't have to import from China. There's already demand for these products and these brands. You've definitely heard of these brands. Now you just need to reach out to them to become a retailer for those brands. Third, build a basic Shopify store. Get your technical SEO right, nail your on-page SEO, and write some helpful content. Use AI to help you write faster and more efficiently. Fourth, set up retargeting. Basic dynamic ads that follow people around with the products they viewed. Fifth, be patient. Month 1 might be nothing. Month 3, you're at $500. Month 6, you're at $2,000 and wondering why everyone doesn't do this. The answer? They're lazy. Don't be lazy. Or be lazy like me and still make $1,500 a month. Either way, you're ahead of everyone still talking about doing something while doing absolutely nothing. Stop overthinking this. Start doing something. Look, if you want to learn exactly how to find these passion markets and do this properly, I put together something called the Passion to Profit Blueprint. It's 25 video lessons showing you how to find markets where people are obsessed with their hobbies and already spending thousands. How to identify which products to sell, how to get approved by real suppliers using the exact email and phone scripts we use. Plus, and this is huge, our team will personally verify your niche idea. You send us what you're thinking. Our team will tell you if it's going to work or not. No more guessing. John and I and our team have seen thousands of industries and thousands of businesses at this point. We know what works and we know what doesn't. And best part, it's just $27 at dropshipbreakthru.com/passion or check the link in the description. Why so cheap? Because I remember being broke. I remember not having mentors. I remember thinking $1,000 was an impossible amount to invest in learning something new. $27 is nothing. And if that $1,000 a month I'm making from my lazy store could help you pay off debt, save for something real, or just breathe a little easier, then it's worth it. You'll also get access to a community of over 1,000 other people actually doing this model. Not talking about it, doing it. Some are just making their first sale, some are doing millions a year, and they're all helping each other inside our community. Here's what I know. The 5 product store I talked about today exists because I understood which markets work and which don't. That's what this teaches you. I'm not saying you'll make millions. I'm saying you can make an extra $1,000 a month if you follow what's in there and actually do something with it. Go to dropshipbreakthru.com/passion if you want it. Or keep watching other people make money online while you wonder what they know that you don't. The answer is they started.